Hi there, I'm Andrew with Golden Age Financial. If you're retired or close to it, managing a fixed income is something many folks are thinking about in 2025. Today, we're talking about how to make your dollars go farther when your income is steady, but costs might be rising. Keeping spending in line is more important than ever. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Let's start by thinking differently about monthly budgets in retirement. Separate your spending into needs, wants, and savings. This gives you a clearer picture of where your money is going. A good rule of thumb is to keep essential spending under 50% of your total income. Don't forget to plan for rising healthcare costs and inflation-sensitive items. Review your budget every 3 to 6 months. Life and priorities can change. Cutting costs doesn't mean giving up what you enjoy. Start by looking at where you spend the most. Housing, groceries, and insurance are good places to begin. Ask your internet or TV provider if you qualify for a senior or loyalty discount. Consider switching to a grocery rewards card or joining a warehouse club for savings on bulk items. Lowering your thermostat by just a few degrees in winter can trim your energy bill. This chart shows how major expense categories compare for households on fixed incomes. Adding even a small income stream can go a long way. If you enjoy crafts or hobbies, look for easy ways to sell your work online. Some retirees pick up part-time jobs a few hours a week. Something flexible, like tutoring or pet sitting, can work well. Ask your financial advisor if your current investments are providing the income you need. This graph shows how inflation has impacted purchasing power over time. Reducing or managing debt can make a big difference on a fixed income. Focus on high-interest debt first, like credit cards. These drain your finances fast. If you have several balances, talk to a counselor about a payment strategy. Avoid using retirement funds early to pay off all debt. It could create tax consequences down the line. Some retirees refinance or consolidate to reduce monthly debt payments. Research carefully before you decide. Sometimes it's necessary to use savings. Just have a plan first. Know where money will come from first. Prioritize using cash savings before tapping long-term investments. Understand the tax rules of IRAs and 401ks. Some withdrawals may count as income. Take only what you need. This helps your savings last longer. Talk with a financial pro if you're thinking about long-term care expenses. Saving strategy matters here. No video can replace personalized guidance. This video is for educational purposes only. For any personal financial decision, talk to a qualified financial planner, tax advisor, or legal expert. If this helped you or reminded you of something useful, let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts. Be sure to subscribe to Golden Age Financial for more tips on retirement, money management, and practical planning.